Morning, everyone. Today I'll show you how I use Labrika to do content SEO optimization with Labrika. This is the homepage of my website www.takecontenthacker.com. I have been using Labrika for improving the page content optimization score from 43 to 90. So we are going to make a 100 optimization demonstration. Simply, let's get into the content optimization part of Labrika AI. It is showing different pages on my website whether it's optimized or not. Never mind the 404 error page message here, once we check and improve, it will be alright. Firstly, let's see what keywords of my homepage are focusing on. When we input those keywords, Labrika will analyze what are the best choices for our content. Such as latent semantics, telling us the keywords we should apply to our content. The best part of Labrika is that we can see examples of our competitors using the same keywords. Either we can manually edit or use AI to automatically rewrite the sentences at our disposal. So let's go to my Zyro website editor page. We look into the content where I can insert the suggested keywords. Here I want to insert process after marketing. After checking a while I notice that I should put it in another place. The next keyword is basic. And after checking different parts, I managed to extend a sentence with it. Again we use product too. So I'll list it in the pricing part. For the last keyword press I insert it into the contact part. For now, each and every suggested keyword is applied to my homepage content. How about too many keywords to be included? I will show you next time. In fact, I update the pricing part as a subheadline. Because I want to include several keywords, such as premium, monthly, subscription, etc. Secondly, update the website to upload the optimized version. Let's refresh the optimization score. Well, it's showing on the editor as 95 and on the website score 90. A little awkward here. Am just not optimizing my content? But we just load the content from the website and go ahead. Now all content is 90, and showing there are 2 points we need to improve. One is the red color showing I am using iContent exact 11 times and the top 10 on Google is only 6. I should manage to reduce or replace it. The other one is the blue color showing I am using iExact 23 times. I am supposed to use it directly 26 to 34 times. Again we are going to do boring editing for the content. I'll just speed up the process here. And let's look into other content optimization indicators on the page. Usually, I have no issues with keyword stuffing when mainly using AI to write. We can see my 3 keywords and getting page depth only 1, and the top 10 competitors are getting 3+. I will try to study this part and make a blog with it. It's new knowledge for me. No critical errors in my homepage content here. Meta tag, H1, and duplicate content are all good. Also, I am able to check my competitors here accordingly. For the snippet part, I can see it's showing my other articles' content. That is why I am worried about duplicate content. I should optimize every article to see whether it's a duplicate. For the part of the essential elements, I don't pay too much attention for now. But I'll look into it in the future. For the IFIDF part, I can see it is marked with red color, which means I am overusing the keywords in my content. And content brief and share link, I am not feeling too much helpful at this moment. So I just skip them here. In order to fix the IFIDF issue, I am going to reduce or replace the suggested keywords. I do it in a speed up way here. Finally, take all the suggested actions and refresh again. We are having a 100 score here. I am not feeling too much trouble using Labrika for SEO content optimization. It's providing a different way to improve the content compared to similar Content Pro. I would not say which one is better, I will make the best out of them both. How about the difference between them? I would say, similar Content Pro is focusing on one keyword project. And Labrika is listing 3 keywords to compete. Anyway, my website is less than 2 months old, and still on the sandbox time. We'll see how it goes in the long run. There are some complicated concepts we have to understand. So stay tuned, I will update blogs for them and list them in the video description. Thank you for today.